Hey!
There's going to be a party at the beach! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Have to equip the magical item. Welcome! What would you like to order? I want to try this! Let's strawberry popcorn! I'd like to order this! Juice! Now we have the customer's orders! Let's prepare the food! Let's make the popcorn first! Tap the button to turn on the stove! Pour the ingredients into strawberry sugar! Butter, corn kernels, stir it. The ingredients are mixed well. Wow, the kernels are turning into popcorn. Tap on the popcorn to collect it in the bucket. Crunchy popcorn is ready! You're great! Now let's make the juice. Slide to cut the fruit. Excellent! You've cut a lot of fruit! Press the button to start juicing! Lastly, let's add some toppings to the juice! Wow! You've made delicious juice! Thank you! Thank you! Good news! There's a new amusement park nearby! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! welcome. What would you like to order?
We want to have this.
Round cotton candy. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the cotton candy. What flavor of blueberry? Grape. Wow, it is so big! Let's decorate it! Wow, the sweet cotton candy is ready!
Whoa.
Yeah!